Hey guys, Nick Mower here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2022 John Deere 3033R compact tractor with the 320R quick attach front loader with the John Deere style quick attach front bucket. Also has a 60D drive over style deck, belly mower deck. It's a very nice tractor with 418 hours on it. This tractor has limited basic, which is powertrain warranty, until April 23 of 2028 from John Deere, and it also, or 2,000 hours, and it also has admissions on it until April 23 of 2028 from your local John Deere dealer. That's the original equipment manufacturer's warranty. The tractor is in very nice condition. It is all original tractor, R14 tires. It is Goodyear tires on it. Again, it is tractor, loader, belly mower. Belly mower is in absolutely beautiful condition. We're going to start you here underneath the hood. We're going to show you everything about this tractor. We actually went right over to our local John Deere dealer. I picked up a complete and full set of OEM John Deere filters, and we've changed everything. So 3-cylinder John Deere diesel starts and runs excellent. It's actually a Yanmar engine, but we did change every filter, and that included engine oil, fuel, air, hydraulic, anything that it called for filter-wise. We picked that right up from John Deere and changed it and used OEM John Deere oils with it. The hood, very nice shape. It's not beat up, bent up, cracked, busted, anything of that nature. Up front, bucket's in beautiful shape. But you can see that cutting edge is in very nice condition. Up front, you do have a nice lifting hook that they bolted on the bucket. You do have the John Deere, what I call 100, 200, 300, 400 series, 500 series mount, and you can interface with your pallet forks. Different, if you put a set of front auxiliaries on, you could run a set of grapples on this tractor. It does have the grill guard on it. Again, it is a 60D auto connect deck. Deck is in beautiful condition. That is a quick attach loader. If I didn't say that before, I just did. Folding roll bar, 540 PTO. You can see that the drawbar has not had anything on it. Cat 1 3-point hitch with factory top link. Now, this tractor does have a set of rear remotes. Those remotes are powered off of the loader joystick, and it is to raise and lower the mower deck. Now, if you would want to use that set of rear CVTs to basically, or servos, to run a set of hoses to the front for auxiliaries, you could do that. It could be very easily set up and done to do that. You can see there everything's in very nice shape. You can see all the little tits are still on the tires. Head to the other side. Coming to this side, tractor is going to have a nice little toolbox right here. It is going to have your C, B, neutral, and A ranges, so low, medium, and high. You are going to have your four-wheel drive in and out right here. Parking brake is right here. It does have the John Deere style suspension seat on this tractor. Coming up on this tractor, you will have here your up and down for your 3-point. Here you're going to have your 2000 mid PTO, mid and rear, or just rear PTO selection. Now, these tractors in the R, keep in mind anything that is an E is more of John Deere's economy line. The R is their, truthfully, premier line, in my opinion. So, 418 hours, then you're going to go to ground speed. So, 311 hours in rear-wheel drive, 35 hours on the PTO, and there's about your DPF. So, you got your dash here for your four-ways, turn signals, headlights. Over here, this has, currently right now, it's on what's called auto throttle. So I can actually push this pedal, and it's going to rev the engine up versus sitting here with the throttle open. You can adjust your sensitivities, you got cruise control, you have all kinds of options there. PTO in and out. And then, as I said, these two buttons here activate your mower deck, which is nice. Turn this back over to Braden. Guys, I'm going to fire this tractor up. I'm going to run it around. We're going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. It does have a level gauge on it. We're going to back up, four-wheel drive in. Now that's four-wheel drive out. So I'm using the auto throttle option. I absolutely love that. I think it's a great option. And it gives it the throttle it needs to keep your RPMs constant. So that was A range. We're going to go ahead here and shift to B range. Now we're going to go to high range. High range forward. High range reverse. So again, that way you don't have to run around your tractor screaming RPMs, which is nice. It just does what you need it to do. For front end loader work here, I'm going to go ahead and head back into B range. I'm going to go ahead and put the load in. That's so cool about that. It makes it so much user-friendly to run that tractor in that setting, my opinion. For most work you're doing front-end loader-wise, so nice to use that. And that way you're not sitting there just ramming high RPMs. So, there again is our mower deck, okay? I'm going to go ahead, slip it in. Nice and quiet. Shut the mower off. It's a 3-point hitch. 3-point hitch up. Braden, we're going over here. We'll go over here and mow a quick second with it, guys. And what's nice on that setup is I can kick that in and out anytime that I see fit as far as that auto throttle. So basically, like right now, for instance, I'm going to go ahead and go to the hand throttle. So the hand throttle will override that auto throttle, okay? Which is nice. And I didn't set my PTO button. That's my fault. There is a button up here when you go to back up. You have to push so that, and you actually have to push down and hold on that. My fault. Tractor does a nice job mowing. And just like that, I canceled out the throttle. And again, what you have to do when you go to back up, you have to push down and hold on that switch to activate that backing up for the mower deck safety. Which on this size of tractor, I don't think that should be on there. But anyhow, guys, very nice tractor. 418 hours. Very clean tractor, four-wheel drive power steering, 60-inch auto, 60D auto connect deck. It is a 2022 year model tractor. R14T tires, 3-range hydrostatic transmission. Guys, tractor is very, very clean. It is very nice. I mean, the part number labels are still in the rims, which is you never hardly see. Again, very clean tractor, guys. Any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you got any questions on the products we sell or anything we do here, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.